To the political scene now. As campaigning continues to take shape in East Portland ahead of the April 4 by-election, we zoom in on some of the issues in the constituency. This evening, we look at the tourism product amidst promises in the past to develop the area as an eco-destination. TVJ's Anthony Logg has been speaking with some of the major players from the sector.
Blue water, white sand beaches, the food and the vibe is just some of the reasons Portland is among the hotspots for tourists and Jamaicans. Located in East Portland, the Blue Lagoon and the Rio Grande are some of the places people look forward to when they visit this side of the island. At the Blue Lagoon, business is booming. But for the raft captains on the Rio Grande, it's the opposite. Rafts by the shore while the captains wait patiently hoping for work.
It's a bit slow for us right now. We have approximately 73 raft captains right now, and we don't have sufficient jobs for each and every one of us. Because sometimes the captain only make like one trip per week, sometimes one per month.
But if there's any truth to those claims by the Secretary of the River Rafters Association, Desmond Dillon, it could mean these men may soon be without job. But just why? The raft captains point to lack of advertisement by the tourism product development company TPDCO. Mr. Dillon argues that if cruise ships could bring more business to Portland, things will be better.
Bartabury is doing fine. Trelawney is doing fine. And we were at the end of the rafting. So I don't believe that would be the reason why we are not getting much visitors right now here.
The raft captains aren't the only ones complaining about the lack of customers. At the Portland Craft Village, similar complaints.
At the mercy of God make we survive in the village. If it wasn't for the little hostel them, or G-Jam and them place, are great hut, we might send 1 or 2 people here, would have maybe out of business long time. At them we barely make a scratch and a survive after.
When the ship comes, coaster buses come and take them away. The last ship that came here was, I think, last week, Wednesday. There were 295 passengers on that ship, small cruise ship. And we saw a whopping 15 passengers here.
But with complaints from some of those people in the tourism sector in East Portland, both the People's National Party and the Jamaica Labour Party candidates have promised to address the issues should they win the seat.
Poor man now go own hotel. Poor man part of the tourism model is the craft. And we have to develop that maroon craft because when people travel, they travel as a tourist for 3 reasons.
When I talk to the youth on the corner, their cry, we don't have any opportunity. They have to leave the parish to find opportunity. That won't work with me.
Anthony Logg, TVJ News.